Make sure you don't do the following things during the mortgage loan process. What's up, guys? So today I wanted to talk about the do's and don'ts regarding the home loan mortgage process. It is so crucial that you don't make any of these mistakes because you will end up regretting it. There have been a lot of stories about people who do certain things before their loan is closed on, and the bank ends up coming back and saying, hey, sorry, we can't move forward. And I have to tell you that it can be very disheartening. Okay, so that's what kind of led me to want to put together this video. So I'm going to get into some of the do's and don'ts. Let's get into it. All right, so the first thing is don't apply for new credit. It's so important that you don't start taking on new debt while you're waiting for the loan to close, okay? The debt to income ratio is one of the biggest things that the banks look at when it comes down to making sure that you're qualified to be able to take out such a big loan. So if you start to do things like, apply for an auto loan or anything like that, it's really going to look bad and it can hurt you in the long run. So make sure you don't apply for new credit, okay? All right, so the second is kind of tied into the first one, right? Don't make any large purchases, right? Don't go out there and throw $5,000 on your credit cards, or again, don't buy a car. You don't want to start increasing the balances on your credit cards, or overall, it can really make you look bad to a lender, to a mortgage lender, if it looks like you're trying to already take out the biggest loan of your life, and then on top of that, you're going to go out and add more to your debt. Not a good idea. So make sure that you don't make any crazy purchases. Wait until the loan closes, then go ahead and get yourself that new Lexus. But in the meantime, hold off. All right, so the only do that I have here is make sure that you pay your bills on time, okay? It's important that you keep your credit in tip-top shape. You don't do anything to hurt it. So make sure that you don't, pay your bills late. Don't do anything like that. If it takes you 90 days to close on the loan, make sure you do everything good. Buy the book. Whatever it is that you want to do during that time that involves credit, hold off. You want to make sure that your credit is in amazing shape throughout the process. Once you close on the loan, you can go ahead and do whatever it is that you want to do. But I can't emphasize that enough. Make sure that you pay your bills on time and don't do all the other stuff that I mentioned, okay? All right, I hope that you found that helpful. It's really important to me that, if you're in the process of trying to get your dream home, you're working with a bank, and you're trying to get everything sorted out, that you don't do anything to hurt your chances. And these are little things that, believe it or not, people in the past did not think it really made a difference, and they found out the hard way that, taking out a little credit card or buying a little vehicle, that the banks were not okay with that, and ended up, killing the deal, the loan for the respective buyer. So make sure, guys, that you don't do this kind of stuff. It will be worth it at the end. All right. So anyway, I hope you found that helpful. If you did, go ahead and like it, share it, and of course subscribe, because I'm going to do a lot more videos just like this. So make sure you become part of my subscriber base. Okay. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.